Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing this iPhone. So this is how Apple actually ships them to you. So on the other side would be the address and all that stuff. But anyways, on the side we can just begin the unboxing. Now remember, it doesn't really matter which iPhone you're getting, storage wise or even the color. It's all going to be the exact same thing inside the box. Anyways, around the box there isn't that much information except for the back. On the back you see the serial number and all that stuff. But anyways, let's just start opening this up. And here we go. Here's the iPhone. So we're just going to put it on the side and take a look at what's inside the box. So you will notice that there's certain things that we don't get anymore. And some things that we do. So, for example, we still get this, which we need in order for our SIM card to come out and put the new one in. Actually, there is no SIM card in there. You just have to put in yours, or you can get a new one and put it in there. So keep this handy, don't lose it. If you do lose it, no big deal. You just need an earring or something like that. Works just fine. Now you also get cable. Now this cable, you will notice you got USB-C and then your regular. So if you want to buy a brick so you can hook this up to, just make sure it's a USB-C one. You can get the ones that work on iPads, those are compatible with iPhones as well, and they technically will charge your iPhone a little bit faster, or you can just buy the one that's made for iPhone. Plus, yes, you could technically charge your iPhone just throughout your computer. So if you have a USB-C import in there, so just hook it up, and you can just charge your iPhone with this cable. But this is the cable that you get with your brand new iPhone. Once again, it doesn't really matter which iPhone you got, what color, or how much storage. That's all you get inside the box. Now keep in mind that there are people that make videos saying that if you break this open or this, secretly there's screen protectors or a case or $120,000 bill in there. It's all fake. There's nothing else. Apple's not gonna give you anything for free. Because hey, keep in mind that they're only giving you this now. Before they used to give you the brick plus headphones. Now, all you get is the cable. Anyways, right now, on your screen, you can see everything you get inside the box. That's it. There's nothing more. And yes, since this is an unboxing video, we're just gonna get to see exactly what you get inside the box, and that's it. However, if you wanna see this in action, make sure to check out the setup video, or even the manual, or later on, there will be a review on the phone itself. We have to test it out for a long time before we can actually make a real review, and not just one day of looking at this. If I turn the phone around, there's this, and then there's the screen. So I don't like to take this off until I get a screen protector. I do have it on the side, so I'm gonna set that up right now. But just to show you the screen, there's nothing fancy about it. So here's how the phone looks like. You just have the power or Siri button. Now on the other side, you're gonna notice these. So these for your volume. And this right here, you can put it up or down. And this will just be, there we go. So if you put that on, so you see that red, that just means it's gonna vibrate. So it's basically to silence calls really quick. We're just gonna leave it as is. There isn't much to show you. You can see the lenses on the other side. I'm gonna take off the cover and show you that there's a front camera as well. So that's the front. There is no home button anymore since a few generations ago. And I guess what I forgot to show you is this right here. This is where your SIM card's gonna go. So here's a quick glance at the iPhone. Now you can get smudges all the way around it really easily. On the back, it's not that easy with this color. And obviously on the screen you can get smudges as well, but this is almost like the screen. It's this chrome look where it's extremely easy to get smudges. So a case is something that we put on right away. But anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.